give me that stare, I get that lump in my throat. Tell me, when will it end?
Hopefully not soon. Will it end on a bad news?
Will I choke? No words to say. Give you the smile to brighten the worst of your days. Feelings brought out from the questions you raise, but I trip and stumble, and my hands and my fingers, along with my mind and the words, begin to fumble, and I mumble cause the thoughts are jumbled. Don't think or react too harsh. Just wanna throw it out there. I'll put it out there to know before the moment is lost. You see, you know how time heals. What does your heart feel? Why are we both here? Can you adjust to the point that for us everything became clear? Or like me, does it set in the fear?
We walked down that river one day, and I've got something I wanna say you don't wanna know. Please hold me close, baby, don't let go. We walked down that river one day, and I've got something I wanna say you don't wanna know. Please hold me close, baby, don't let go.
Now that it's been sung, how far do I have to travel before it all unravels and torments my soul? Did you hold on? Did you hold on? Or did you just let go? I know it's hard, I can't really explain it. The words I wrote then and the ones you got now go to show the passion you bring in my life when I'm dealing with these struggles with everyday life. Seem to be there to set things right. Don't be a loser, you're gone. Out of sight but never out of mind. I've gotta find a way to relieve the pressure and leave the past behind. Put it to the side. Respiration has me pushing forward, never looking back. I think it's time to give it slack. Let loose, remove this news, allow myself to breathe. Can you feel the fresh air? It's only because of you.